Hey guys, this is Dr. Keen, and I'm just giving you a quick overview of our Canvas course for Anatomy and Physiology. If you've used Canvas before, then you should have a good idea of how everything works. But if you're new to Canvas, I just wanted to show you a few things on our page here so you know how to use it. On the left side here, you got all these tabs. I'm in the student view right now, so you should be able to see everything that I'm seeing right now. You have all these tabs here on the left, our home screen, and this is our home screen, a little bit about me and some information about what's coming up in the future. Announcements will be up here, so anytime I send out an announcement, the last three of them will sit right up here, so you'll be able to see those. Make sure you're paying attention to those because that's how I'm going to communicate with you. And then you got modules here. And this is where we're going to spend a lot of our time is in the modules. We have Zoom links here. Now the Monday and Wednesday charger time, those are tutorial times, and those are for both face-to-face and virtual students. So you have that option right there during those times on Mondays and Wednesdays if you need that. If you're a virtual student, then here's your Zoom links for your direct teach times on Mondays and Wednesdays. And pay attention to the period there and the times that you'll be attending those Zooms, and you have the link to them right there. And the rest of it here is information that we're going to go through together, and some assignments and things like that. Our syllabus is on here and everything, so this is where you're going to spend most of your time on the course in Canvas and where you're going to get most of the information. Go back to the home page here. Over on the left, a calendar is for you to access at any time too. If you click that, it'll give you a day-by-day process of what's going to happen. If you ever need to communicate with me, then you can talk to me right here using this. This inbox is just like an email account. You can send messages to me, and I can send messages to you, and we can communicate back and forth that way too. So hopefully this helps you understand a little bit about how we're going to use the system, and looking forward to seeing you guys in class.